Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a wheel matchup with a set of 20x12 Moto Metal 962s in a negative 44mm offset and some 35 1250 R20 Fury Country Hunter RT tires in a 12 ply. Now these Moto Metals are offered in a 17, 18, 20, and 22 inch wheel. They're offered in a gloss black with milled accents, a chrome wheel, a PVD center with gloss black, meaning chrome spokes in a gloss black rim, or satin gray with milled accents. These Moto Metal 962s are some of the most popular wheels on the market. They are a 8-spoke design, a chunky 8-spoke design is very popular right now. These 35 1250 R20 Fury Country Hunter RT tires. They're an RT tire, so it's a tread pattern of an all-terrain, but the depth of a mud terrain. So it's an aggressive look, however it handles well. One thing, Fury went through a bad batch of these RTs and they called for a lot of weight. So the big thing is, if these tires ask for more than 3 ounces of weight, take them back, get them rebalanced. Besides that, once you do get them balanced, they handle phenomenally. I absolutely love them. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you want any of these parts, whether it's the tires, the wheels, lift, fender flares, running boards, go to our website, central-alps.com, and we would love to get your parts shipped out today. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.